Welcome back. In this session, we will see how you can sign up for GitHub Copilot. The starting point is your GitHub account. So, after you are logged into GitHub with your GitHub account, you can go to the upper right button and select your Copilot. This one right here, you can click on it. This will bring you to the sign up page of GitHub Copilot. You might enjoy a free 30-day trial. After that, the current plans are $10 a month or $100 a year. Maybe, in time, this can change. There's also a link to a free user FAQ, so if you want to learn whether you are eligible to use GitHub Copilot for free, you can check this FAQ. You can simply click Get Access to GitHub Copilot, and then you have to fill in the form. On the next page, you will need a credit card or a PayPal account. After completing these steps, you can use GitHub Copilot inside an IDE. Let's see how you can use GitHub Copilot inside an IDE in the next two sessions. In the next session, we will see how to set it up inside VS Code. In the session after that, we will see how to set it up in JetBrains.